Okay, here's the situation. My parents went away on a week's vacation. DC level 3 breakdown. So Sherry got this all ground up. Got the shims going on. It uses an aluminum coil. I don't want to say disappointed, but I was surprised that the OD isn't a tighter tolerance around the gap. The gap is, I mean, a lot of people do that. Sundown does that. The thing that I worry about, and I didn't even think about this till, years into I was building, was John Van Ree at Precision Econowind had mentioned that when the coil is not close to the gap, the coil tends to get hotter. So the steel and then also the frame, because it's bolted to the steel, act as a heat sink. So, and I mean, if you really want to get, extra, OCD, you would put heat sink grease in that little joint right there for it to bond better to the steel, to keep the steel from getting hot. So what happens when you abuse a lot of these is the steel gets really hot, and then the glue fails. But in order to get it that hot, you got to get the steel up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And that means you're fucking abusing your woofer. So if that happens, but chances are it uses aluminum for cost savings, because it does a good enough job. What was it? Again, this woofer is probably like 1,000 watts. I think I was looking up the specs. It's 3-inch coil. It's the level 3. Again, it's comparable to like the RE Audio SX. This one, of course, is made in America. I think Rusty is out of Sacramento, I want to say. So, but, or no, Sparks, Nevada. That's right. He's up there by Tesla. So what I'm going to use is just a single Lord of Bass. This is a 2-layer spider. Usually when you have a really light coil like this, you want to use a soft suspension. Just to keep the FS in the 30s. If you use a tighter suspension, it tends to... now, Rusty had 2 spiders on here, which you guys really need to test to see what I'm talking about. Sometimes if you add a second spider, it's purely just for marketing, just so you can say there's 2 spiders on it. See, because then what happens is you look at like DD, which puts like 5 fucking shitty spiders on there, and again, it becomes like sort of a bragging thing, like when you see like what's better than a coaxial, a triaxial, what's better than a triaxial, a quad axle, and so you get into this pissing contest of just bullshit. And so, but anyways, I'm just going to use this 2-layer spider from Lord of Bass. These are sewn and glued leads, which I think are a little better than what Rusty had. Rusty had this one that goes zigzag back and forth, and whatever. That's just who his vendor is or whatever. So you got to be really delicate with this aluminum wire. What is it? Aluminum has a poor ductility. So copper can be stretched and I guess handled better. It's not as brittle, and so you just got to be real ginger. The other thing is you got to make sure that, because Sherry kind of got a little crazy with the grinder, you got to make sure that there's no shorts here. That was one of the issues with this thing in the beginning, was that it had a short. So I still got to test it. I forgot to test it, but I'll test it real quick to make sure that it's reading. Should be dual 4, because I think it was a dual 4 pair. And then I'll go ahead and flip this over, epoxy the bottom, and then we'll stick it in there. I use a ring clamp to make sure that this is down, plus you can put things on there. I'll reuse the terminals. Those are fine. You just got to clean them up a little bit. And then Rusty uses the same surround that I do, which is the 5 series from Lord of Bass. Mine doesn't have the cutouts where the hardware is. And then, we were able to, let me turn this off real quick. Where's the, we were able to salvage the cap. Rusty does not use an inner cap, but I will. And then it was like rubber cement that held that down, which is fine. Phi uses CA, which I don't recommend for poly, but whatever works, man. So, but that's the follow-up for that. And then I got some other videos, just really short videos, just to kind of keep you guys updated rather than one big long video. I realize now that people miss a lot of stuff because they don't really watch the whole fucking video. So it's like, ugh, I gotta repeat myself. So, but anyways, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.